Hey everyone, how's it going? So I have a special request today, and in today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Bigfoot in his classic pose. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Bigfoot, let's begin by working on the face. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a little black dot for an eye. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to make another black dot for an eye right over here. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come over, and then I'll just want to curve this up like that. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to come up for the nose. Next, let's draw a little line down. Now, starting here for the cheek, we're just going to go out and then in. Then I'm going to come out and in again. For the mouth, let's just draw a line that's going to go over. And then we'll make a little line underneath here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a few little zigzag lines for some hair. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes down. And I'll put a few more little pointy lines up here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. And I'll draw a few more little pointed lines up here to make them look really furry. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes up, and I'm going to make it a little pointy. Then I'm going to bring this down here, and I'm going to kind of curve it with some pointed lines. Next, I'm going to make some of these lines kind of pointed, and I'm going to bring them up here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out, and I'm going to have some little points on it to kind of make the arm. Then I'm going to make a few zigzag lines across. Next, I'm going to bring this up and over with a few more little points. Now for the body, let's draw a line down with a few zigzags in it. And over here, I'm going to draw a line down, same thing, just a few little zigzags. Now for the leg, we're going to bring this over and down. Put a few little points on it, and we'll go right across with a few more. Next, I'm going to go up, and we'll just connect the body right to the leg. Now, over here, I'm going to make a few more little lines coming down. We'll bring this across here with some points. And I'm going to bring this up with a couple more, just to make them look really furry. Now for the other leg, I'm going to start out here, kind of doing the same thing, a few little points. I'm just going to come across and bring it up here. Now let's work on the hands first. I'm going to start by making a little line that's just going to curve. Then I'll make a line that's going to come out and back up for one of the fingers. We'll draw another little line that curves up, and one more right here. Now over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and up for a thumb. Then I'm just going to curve this line around, and I'm going to bring it up here for the hand. Then I'll make another little finger right there. Now let's draw the famous Bigfoot feet. Starting here, we're going to go down, and I'm going to bring it over. Next, I'm going to curve a little line around for a toe, and I'll do one here, and then one big one right here. I'm going to bring this over. Starting here, I'll do the same thing. I'm just going to go down, and I'll bring this over. Curve one toe, 2, 3, and then 4, and bring it over here. Next, I'm just going to draw a little line right by each eye, and then a couple little lines right on top of the head. And then I'm going to make a few little zigzag lines on some different parts of the body just to make them look a little furrier. And there you go, there is your drawing of Bigfoot. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.